In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Discord's new AutoMod AI feature on your Discord server. First of all, before I show you how to set up this feature, I'm going to first explain it. So, the reason why you should use this feature instead of traditional bots is because bots delete them and they take like 1 solid second before they delete it. With Discord's AutoMod, it's built into your server. So, and as soon as you press the enter key, it will immediately block it. So, with that explained, let's get on to the video. So first off, let's go to our server right here. And first of all, we need to create a channel to send all of the logs of, the warnings and stuff. So, click on create channel. Let's name this something like AutoMod. Let's name this something like AutoMod logs. You can name it whatever you want and create this as a private channel. Then press next. You can add your admin and moderators. This is basically just going to be a channel to log so your moderators and yourself can see, who sent that message and why it was blocked and stuff like that. So just add your roles right here, create channel, and there you go. Now let's go to our Discord server. Now if you have community enabled, you need to go right here and click right here. But if you don't have community enabled, you should see AutoMod right here. So just click on AutoMod right here, edit, and first off, let's edit this block mention spam. So let's set this to like 5 or something. So there you go. So first off, let's configure this block message. We can add a custom message. So there you go. Now we have a nice explanation so the member can understand why the message was blocked. So your message was blocked because you can't spam ping roles or everyone. So just click on edit right there, then send an alert. That's when our channel comes in. So AutoMod logs, save right here. You can time out the member, but maybe you could do that. Maybe set like 60 seconds or something, but I'm not going to do that. You can do whatever. And this option here, which will show in all of these options right here, is basically a bypass. So you can add roles and channels that can bypass this. So admin and moderators. And yeah, after that, click on save changes. Now let's configure this one right here. So click on setup, custom message. This will appear on all of them. I'm just feeling very lazy to do this, but highly recommend this. Then send an alert as always to our logs channel, and then roles that can bypass. So maybe, I don't know, admin. Now let's go to this one, block commonly flagged words. So I recommend enabling all of these. So if we expand this right here, you can enter any phrase or word that you don't want it to be blocked. And if you want to separate each one, put a comma and space and maybe hi or something like that. But this is totally optional, but I'm not going to enter anything. Save changes. I'm not going to add a block message because I already did that. The first one. Now this one we can. It's always AutoMod logs and bypass roles. I don't know, maybe admin, maybe moderator, I don't know. Click on save changes, and after that, let's go to the block custom words. And this is basically where you can block custom words. So maybe like, curse words, but what's better than that? Maybe like something like free nitro, or nitro giveaway, if I can spell correctly. There you go. Yeah, you can block things like this. Now the cream of the crop, we can add this one, free nitro. You can send an alert to our AutoMod logs right here, and you can time out the member. You can set for 60 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. So yeah, maybe for 60 seconds, or maybe 5 minutes, I don't know. I'm just going to add 60 seconds right here. You can maybe bypass the roles on your admins. I don't know. But yeah, that's a brief, concise of everything. So I forgot to mention this one. Now I was not going to include this one in the original video, but I decided to include it. So first of all, let's click on setup. So if your member tries to change their nickname to something bad, there will be a warning appearing saying commonly flagged words, you can't use this. So yeah, that's basically what you can do. So you can, you know, type something like nitro or something, just as an example. You can send in an alert, obviously, to our auto logs channel, and, you know, bypass admin and moderators. So if I go right here and rename my server profile real quick and change mine to nitro, if we save changes, you can see, there you go, display name contains commonly flagged words. So yeah, you can create multiple block word stuff, but I think this is good enough. So let's go right here and exit. Now to prove you that this actually works, if we go right here and type in free nitro and send it, you can see I get timed out. And if we go to our mod logs right here, you can see we have blocked my custom word right here. So yeah, I hope you learned something new. And actually, fun fact, I forgot to set up this on my own server, so haha, now I have to do it. You can like and subscribe, totally not begging you for doing that. And yeah, see you all later, guys. Join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, do that stuff, whatever. Thank you so much for watching, thanks for the support, and see you all next time. Bye.